Well, we got some gale force winds out there. A little scary to go out here, you know. I don't know about anything that's gonna fly up and hit me. My table's gone. Shoot. Just don't let it snow on everything while it's out here. Guess I better check on everything out here. See what has blown away. Well, the bag of peat moss didn't blow away, and the plateau teepee is still standing. These are still here. Willem's solar thing out there is okay. This fell down. Guess we're gonna have to put on some shoes and go inspect out there. It's a kind of dangerous time out there, though, eh? Are you having a nice morning? Is it terribly windy where you are, too? At least it's warm. And not raining at the moment. Okay, how about the teapot pergola? I had put all these things far enough apart that they wouldn't hit each other. Those two might hit each other. Fabrics. Fleece is still on that bench. These are all still in place. Oh, ladder blew down. Flag is wrapped around a bit. Teepee door's open. But the teepee is still standing and everything is still in place. However, I can't say that about this other one. Look how windblown it all is. Here comes another one. There it is. Well, oh, look at how they're all in the corner there. Ah, cute. Oh, look at that. They didn't blow away. My bundles are still here and they're still dry. Wow, that's quite a miracle. Some blew away. But not like I thought it would be. Oh, broke a tree here. Little one. Okay, I guess I'll I don't want these to get soaked. Put them back here. I'm supposed to get 3 inches of rain today. Whoopsie. Wonder how the teepees down at the pond are doing. Mm.